Hello! To transfer files between computer and Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you'll need to get yourself the Type-C cable and connect it to your computer first, and then you simply have to connect it to your phone. So let me show you. Let's connect the phone with the PC. And as you just heard, the connection has been made. The computer just found the phone, and right now all we have to do is we have to scroll down into this notification section right here and press on this notification and set from the no data transfer to file transfer and /Android Auto. We have to select this option, and right now we are able to actually move files from our phone between our phone and computer. So right now I will show you how it would look like on my PC. Alright, so right now after we plugged our phone into the computer, we have this catalog opening, we have this folder opened, and right here we have the storage, internal storage of our phone. So let's go inside right here, and this is the folder you will see. This is the actually stuff you will see when you are in the file manager. So simply you will have to move to somewhere. Let's say I want to move my file to documents. So let's go in here, and as you can see, here is the picture from my phone, and you simply have to grab your file from your computer. Let's say that I have this file on my desktop. You simply have to grab it and move it into the phone storage, as you can see, and right here we have this file in the phone. And to do the same, to move your files from your phone to your computer, you simply have to grab any file from your phone and drag it into your PC, into somewhere, any location on your PC. And basically that's how to move your files between computer and Xiaomi Poco X7. Thank you for watching.